Hello everyone, my name is Norma and today I'm going to be showing you some of the best hot chocolates in the city of Las Vegas because I can't think of a better time to show these off. And don't worry, none of these are going to be boring, these are all over the top. So keep on watching to see some of my best hot chocolates. Although we are here to try some hot chocolate, if you ever have a sweet craving, come to Creamberry. They are most known for their ice cream, puff waffles, toast, and their signature cotton candy burrito. This humble little shop isn't selling any ordinary hot chocolate. They're selling this. This hot chocolate looks like you're one shopping at a party store. You have your mug dipped in chocolate and sprinkles and topped off with blackened marshmallows and a chocolate wafer straw. Although it has a lot going on, it still has a very creamy texture and the melted marshmallows just add that extra flavor. Yeah, this is for sure not a hot chocolate out of a packet. It might be a little messy, but totally worth it. That's like a campfire in a cup right there. Cafe Lola is known to be one of the most Instagrammable spots in Las Vegas, and it's not only a picture-worthy restaurant, all their food and drinks are beautifully decorated and pretty tasty if I say so myself. I chose this spot for the unicorn hot chocolate as it's a pretty unique drink because it's pink and served with a unicorn cookie up top, marshmallows, and colorful pearl sprinkles. I really like this hot chocolate because it's not too over the top, and the drink itself is a white chocolate base, and to make it pink they use a pink beet powder, but don't worry, it tastes nothing like beets, it's just for the aesthetics. We are now over in Henderson at the Stove, which is known to be one of the best brunches in town, and I hope it becomes known for their hot chocolates too. The Stove has two hot chocolates I'm going to feature. I tried them both and I couldn't leave either of them out, so here they are. This first one is called the Unicorn, and I'm pretty sure this is the fanciest hot chocolate I've ever had. I've never seen a hot chocolate be topped off with cotton candy, colorful sprinkles, and edible gold flakes, and the drink itself is so rich and velvety. If you've never had gold flakes on a hot chocolate, this is a place to try it. It's a little crunchy, it doesn't really taste like much, but I'm really glad it's there. Now this second one I just had to share because it hits so close to home. If you haven't guessed it yet, it's the Mexican Cocoa. It has that classic hot cocoa look, but the oh my god factor is in the flavor. It's made with abuelita, which means grandma, and in case you've never heard of it, this is what it looks like. It's a rock solid chocolate tablet that slowly melts it into the boiling milk until it's creamy and frothy. Mexican cocoa tastes so different than any other hot chocolate. The cinnamon flavor from the abuelita, it's so subtle, but yet it still smacks you in the face, if that makes sense. And you can't tell right away, but there's roasted marshmallows beneath the whipped cream. So good. This next spot just opened in July 2020 with its main item known as to be the Korean shaved ice. But of course, we're here for their hot chocolate. Now, this isn't your everyday typical hot chocolate, but instead of talking about it, I'll just show you. How amazing is this hot chocolate? As you saw, they put a lot of work into it, from the chocolate shavings to the steamed milk to the biggest dollop of marshmallow you'll ever see in your life, and just blacken at the top a little bit just for that extra touch. That fire roasted marshmallow alone tasted like a fancy camping trip. This is a milk chocolate base, but they did give me a little secret. It's both milk and half and half to give it that creamy consistency. The chocolate itself is very decadent. If I only had a cup of just hot chocolate, I'd be a happy customer. As much as I like going out and trying new warm drinks during the winter, sometimes I don't want to go outside and deal with the cold weather. So instead, here's an option where you can stay home and still try out a new hot chocolate. I'm not sure how long they've been a thing, but apparently hot cocoa bombs are all the rage right now. And today I ordered from a local pastry chef that has their own company called Whisked Delights. They sell so many beautiful baked goods, and they're making a killing selling these hot cocoa bombs. They make about 8 different cocoa bomb flavors, and today we're going to be trying their cookies and cream and the dark chocolate peppermint. You're going to need a large mug for the bomb to fit in it, and a hot liquid such as milk, water, or coffee to add in. I'm going to use milk. This is like a hot Oreo milkshake. It's so smooth and creamy. It's like the perfect balance of vanilla and chocolate in the same cup. So good. This one was very rich. I had more of a dark chocolate taste to it, and the peppermint was very subtle, nothing too crazy. It was just like the perfect amount in there. I don't know which one is better. They were both great, just get both. You can purchase these hot cocoa bombs on whiskeddelights.com, and for the time being, you can either pick them up directly from the chef or have them delivered straight to your house. So now we're going to the opposite end of staying home, which is going out to the strip and adding some booze into our next drink. Sugar Factory has quite a few locations throughout the US and is known to attract all types of celebrities. You can choose to dine, sip on some insane drinks, or choose some sweets from their candy store. I did say I was going to involve booze at this location. So for my version of an alcoholic hot chocolate, their Smores Martini hits everything on the list. There's chocolate all over this, from the rim to the inside of the glass, and they're using a double chocolate vodka and Godiva chocolate. And to top it off, a skewer of lightly toasted marshmallows. It's really frothy, and I think it's kind of funny because as you're drinking this, you're also smelling that toasted marshmallow since it is placed right up top. So I think it's kind of cool that you're involving more than one of your senses as you're drinking this. And it's very easy to drink too. The vodka blends very well with all the chocolate. I could easily have more than 2 of these. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up so we can get as many views as possible. Make sure you comment your favorite hot chocolate spot because this was a very hard search for me. There's not that very many over-the-top hot chocolates in Vegas as you think. And finally, make sure you share this with all your friends. And I know a lot of you are gonna ask, did I drink all these hot chocolates in a day? No, I say it took me about 4 to 5 days. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Gonna leave it. Cool that you're involving more than one of your senses. Okay. You have your mug. I'm pretty sure this is. Oh my god.
I do all the time.
Oh, you do? No, you're fine.
That's why I go to a lot of places here.
Oh, thank you. Chocolate tablet that slowly melts into the hot boiling milk. Dine, sip on some insane sweets. It's made with abuelita, which in grandma means hot. What? What? What the hell did I just say? More than one of your senses, just as you're sipping this. I hate myself.